Hey folks, man, we're back with another episode of Monk's Box, man. And that's the unboxing video series where we unbox tech toys and sneakers. And we got a crazy pair right here. This is probably one of the most controversial sneaker releases of 2021. If not ever, you either love these or hate these. And right here, I've got the Yeezy 450. And this is going to be the Dark Slate edition. And immediately, look at this box, dude. Like I kind of do appreciate the minimalized packaging. I mean, they've always been doing that, but this is about half the size of the normal Yeezy box, you know? So in comparison, you know, we've got the 700s right here, and it's the 450 side by side, you know, so you can get an idea. Almost half as big as that. You know, definitely has the similar depth. Yeah, they're about the same, you know, depth and lengthwise, but you know, the width is almost half of what the normal, you know, 700 box is. But let's take a look at these, man. These are immediately crazy. You know, so I guess the biggest controversy about these is going to be this sole right here, you know, this crazy looking, alien looking sole that, you know, pretty much makes up most of the shoe. Pretty much this is a shoe, one of those socks with a sole model, you know what I'm saying? So pretty much, you know, that's what this thing is, you know, taking the shoe and, let me see if I can hide this tag. We don't need it. This is mine. You know, so you can see, but how this thing sits. It's a crazy design. So let's get into some of these details. You know, I'll take this other one out. So yeah, sock with a sole design. It's crazy. You know, the white version of these, I've heard them called, you know, bones or dinosaur bones. You know, because it kind of looks like a rib cage or something. But what's interesting about these, they're dark slate. You know, people say they're black, but they're not fully black. You know, I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up, but you kind of see like a more matte, washed out black. But as it gets toward the rear of the shoe, it actually gets really, really pale and really more washed out. So it's almost like a tonal shift. You know, see how that, you know, goes from here to there, with the sole being the darkest part of it, and then the rest of the shoe gets lighter as it goes, you know, through it. But we've also got this sole that looks really wild. So it's almost like a bluish, kind of a navy color. You know, so that's definitely not fully black. You know, you got your Adidas logo stamped there on the toe, but these are wild. I definitely like them. You know, part of me that likes them, I love the fact that Yeezy continues to kind of push the envelope with design. You know, just doing stuff that's out there, just different. You know, it's not the same, you know, Jordan 1 with different colors on it. You know, so I do admire them for that. And also, I kind of like the fact that y'all hate them so much. You know, this is like something that I could publicly troll people, you know, as I'm walking around and like, oh man, he's got those. What are those? Like, you know, like it's crazy. You're bound to get a reaction, you know. Sometimes, you know, I like to peacock a little bit, and this is definitely going to give you that weird peacocking. So, you know, inside we also get, you know, some other details. You know, it says Yeezy in there. I'm not sure if my camera can get up in there. Yeah. So, but these are wild. But I do appreciate the fact, though, they are really snug. You know, it's a snug fit, but it's also a comfortable snug fit. I didn't really get any pinching or anything in weird places. You'll see the on foot, like, but once you put these things on foot, they kind of take on a different life. You know, I think they look good. You know, like I mean, I am biased, but like I said, this pair, you're either going to love them or hate them. But I love them. You know, I can't wait to really, you know, put these on and get busy out here. And I also like the fact that they're black. This is something that I feel like is going to be durable. You know, you're going to get a lot of wear and tear before they really start to look, you know, really used and beat up, as opposed to the white model, which might be tougher, keeping clean. And also the finish on this, you know, the rubber on the sole, it kind of has that, it's glossy a bit, but it also seems like it's going to be resistant to stains and scuffing, you know, to a degree, and still be able to, you know, look good and perform its purpose. So it sucks, man, because I got all these kicks here, and every time I get ready to bust one out of the box, I'm like, I haven't shot the video yet. So I might just wear these to the gym tomorrow just to see what's going on with people when they see them. Like, yo, what is that? Like, yeah, because I feel like trolling y'all. But now that I've done this video, I'm going to be rocking them. But yeah, that's it, man. We're going to catch you next time on the next Monk's Box. I'll give you the on feet and this, you know, the spin around view. And I'll catch you next time, folks. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you more stuff, and comment, tell me what you like and what you don't like, what you like about these, what you don't like about them, because I feel like the shoe is definitely going to be a controversial subject on this channel. All right, folks, I'm out. Peace.